Footsteps, armor, bones breaking, thunder, rain, and pretty much every single sound that is not music or dialogue in the movie is recorded in the studio. Yes, that's right. Everything you hear in the movie is recorded by Foley artists who spend hours in the studio trying to come up with unique ways to create textures and sounds that we hear in the nature. For example, the most common item to use for bone breaking is celery. Or the Foley artist for the Mortal Kombat game ate the banana really close to the microphone, creating a disgusting texture. But hey, it works for the game. In other cases, artists have used lettuce and pineapples to simulate a sci-fi lizard walk, like for example in Star Wars Republic Commando. Well, how about dog paws? That's gloves with paper clips. Bird wings? Just flop with a duster and you get bird wings. The ice crack is basically just a pine cone breaking. So the next time you watch a movie, you will know that